most dangerous object in our solar system is not an asteroid hiding in the dark. It is our own sun. Every single second, the sun converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium through nuclear fusion. The energy released in that 1 second is more than humanity has produced in all of recorded history. It is a thermonuclear bomb of unfathomable proportions, yet it does not explode. It does not collapse. It simply shines. The clouds are parting, and the light is waiting. The ancient seers, the wise ones who composed the Rig Veda, saw this extraordinary steadiness in the sky and gave it a name. They called this sustaining solar principle Mitra. In the Rig Veda, Mitra is celebrated as one of the Adityas, the solar deities who represent the different dimensions of cosmic light. Unlike the violent storm energy of the Mruta or the fierce lightning of Indra, Mitra represents something far more subtle and powerful. The Sanskrit word Mitra literally means friend, the benevolent force that holds the relationships of all things in a state of sustained equilibrium, the guardian of covenants, ensuring that the universe does not tear itself apart. The ancient hymns describing this cosmic partnership read less like ancient prayers and more like a modern paper on stellar physics.
Mitro jananyatayati bruvano, mitro dadhara prithvi mutadhyam, mitrah krishtira nimishabhichaste, mitraya havyam ghrutavajjahota.
Mitra speaks to dull living beings, guiding them into harmony. Mitra firmly sustains both the earth and heavens above. Mitra watches over ONL creation with an unblinking, ever-vigilant eye. To this great friend, offer your finest devotion. When we look at Mitra through the lens of modern astrophysics, we see that he represents the principle of hydrostatic equilibrium. Inside a star, two colossal forces are locked in a permanent, deadly tug of war. Gravity is constantly trying to crush the star inward into a black hole, while the explosive radiation pressure from nuclear fusion is trying to blow the star apart. If either force gains an advantage by even a fraction of a percent, the star faces catastrophic failure. For 4.6 billion years, our Sun has maintained this perfect balance. This is the cosmic covenant of Mitra, the dynamic tension that allows a star to remain stable, warm, and life-giving. The Vedic texts speak of 12 Adityas, the sovereign sons of the cosmic dawn. Modern science invites us to consider these 12 principles as the different frequencies and cycles of solar physics. They correspond to the 12 months of the solar year, the varying intensities of the solar wind, and the distinct bands of the electromagnetic spectrum. Light is not a single entity. It is a family of frequencies, a spectrum of radiant intelligence that structures our physical reality. The physics of light itself reveals a deep mystery. Photons are massless particles that travel at the absolute speed limit of the universe, 300,000 kilometers per second. Because they have no mass, time does not exist for a photon. From the photon's own perspective, the moment it leaves a star and the moment it hits your eye happen at the exact same instant. Furthermore, light possesses a wave-particle duality. It behaves like a continuous wave until it is observed, at which point it collapses into a localized particle. This connects directly back to the observer effect we explored in earlier episodes. The Vedas invite us to see light as the first physical expression of consciousness. Mitra is the bridge that makes the invisible quantum field visible to the eye. In the Rig Veda, Mitra is almost inseparable from Vrun, the guardian of cosmic laws whom we met when exploring Rit. They are the twin keepers of the universe. In modern physics, we can see this partnership as the relationship between the laws of nature and the fundamental constants that make those laws stable. Consider the fine structure constant, a mysterious dimensionless number known as 1 over 137. This number governs how light and matter interact. If this single number were slightly different, electrons could not bind to atoms. No chemistry could happen. No life could exist. Vrun writes the laws, but Mitra sustains the constant numbers that keep those laws friendly to life. Light is also the ultimate carrier of information. Every photon that reaches our telescopes carries a coded message from its source. Through spectroscopy, scientists split starlight into a rainbow spectrum to read the exact chemical composition of stars billions of light years away. The sun cannot hide its secrets. They are written in its light. The ancient seers describe Mitra as the one who sees all, the cosmic witness who watches with an unwinking eye. In physics, light is the exact mechanism by which the universe makes itself knowable. Without photons, nothing can be observed. This brings us full circle back to quantum observation. For an observer to collapse a quantum wave into reality, there must be an exchange of information. That exchange is mediated by light. Mitra enables the observer effect at a cosmic scale. He is the friend who makes the universe visible, measurable, and understandable. But what happens when we look behind the light? What lies in the deep, dark ocean of space, where even the photons of the Adityas cannot reach? What is the invisible architecture that holds the galaxies together? In our next episode, we will plunge into the cosmic ocean, Varun. We will explore the physics of space-time curvature, black holes, and the dark matter that holds the galaxies together. The ocean is deep and the abyss is waiting.